The first step to converting Guessit to this architecture will be creating a ViewModel. ViewModel is an abstract class that you will extend and then implement. It holds your app's UI data and survives configuration changes. Now, the word ViewModel is a little bit ambiguous. When people say ViewModel, they could be referring to a concept that has nothing inherently to do with Android apps. In this context, though, we're discussing a specific class that is part of the lifecycles library. As you saw in your architecture, the ViewModel is a place to put your app's UI data. Here's one reason why this is helpful. Right now, all of your UI data is in the fragment. When your app undergoes a configuration change, such as rotating the phone, the activity and all of the fragments in it are destroyed and then rebuilt by the OS, which means, unless you do something, the data is lost. You've already seen here that onsaved instance state is often not the right solution if you have a lot of complicated data. So enter the ViewModel. Instead of having the UI data in the fragment, move it to your ViewModel and have the fragment reference the ViewModel. The ViewModel survives configuration changes, so while the fragment is destroyed and then remade, all of that juicy data that you need to display in the fragment, like the score, the current word, and so on, remain in the ViewModel. If you reconnect your recreated fragment to the same ViewModel, all of the data is just right there for you. Unlike the onsaved instance state bundle, the ViewModel has no restrictions on size, so you can store lots of data in here without worry. That's the general idea, so next let's take a look at the actual code.